Time was passing. Days were moving. But he thought he had plenty of it. He believed tomorrow would always come. Until one day, time taught him a lesson he could never forget. There was a man named Arav. Arav was not lazy. He was not bad. He was just comfortable. Every morning, his alarm rang at 6. And every morning, he pressed snooze. 5 more minutes, he said. Those 5 minutes often became 1 full hour. He had dreams once. Big dreams. Dreams of becoming successful. Dreams of making his parents proud. Dreams of living a life he would be proud of. But dreams need time. And time needs action. Arav always said, "I'll start tomorrow. I'm still young. There's no hurry." His friends moved ahead. One got a job. One started a business. One moved to another city. Arav stayed where he was. Not because he couldn't move, but because he didn't feel the urgency. Time kept moving quietly. It didn't shout. It didn't warn him. It just passed. Years went by. Arav was now in his early 30s. One evening, he sat alone in his room. The same desk, the same unfinished plans. His phone buzzed. A message from a college friend. "Got promoted today. Remember our old dreams?" Arav smiled, but that smile didn't last long. He looked around his room. Unopened books, half-written notes, ideas that never became action. Suddenly, a strange heaviness filled his chest. He asked himself a question he had avoided for years. What have I done with my time? That night, he couldn't sleep. Memories played in his mind. Days he wasted scrolling. Evenings he spent complaining. Opportunities he ignored because he was not ready. He realized something painful. Time never stopped for him, but he had stopped for time. The next morning, he visited his parents. His father looked older. His mother's hair had more white strands. Arav felt a lump in his throat. When did they grow this old? Time again. A few weeks later, Arav attended a farewell ceremony. His old school teacher was retiring. That teacher looked at the students and said softly, "I've taught for 40 years, and I've learned one thing. Time is fair, but it is strict. It gives everyone the same 24 hours, but it never gives them back." Those words hit Arav hard. For the first time, he didn't feel sad. He felt scared. Scared of reaching old age with regrets. Scared of saying, "I wish I had tried." That night, Arav stood in front of a mirror. He looked into his own eyes and said, "No more waiting." His hands were shaking. His heart was racing. But something inside him changed. Not magically, not instantly, but deeply. The next day, he woke up when the alarm rang. No snooze. He sat down and wrote a simple list. What can I do today? Just today. Not next year. Not someday. Today. Arav started small. Very small. 1 hour of focused work, one honest effort, one step forward.
Some days were hard. Some days he failed again. But this time, he didn't stop.
Because now he understood something. Time was not his enemy. His delay was. Months passed. Slowly, things changed. His confidence grew. His skills improved. His life started moving again. Not because time slowed down, but because he finally moved with time. One evening, Arav sat quietly and smiled. Not a fake smile, a peaceful one. He wasn't where he wanted to be yet, but he was no longer stuck, and that made all the difference. If you are watching this right now, ask yourself one question. What are you waiting for? Time will not wait for the perfect moment. It will not wait for motivation. It will not wait for confidence. It will keep moving. Dreams don't die because they are too big. They die because we say later. Start small. Start scared, but start today. Because one day you will understand this truth too. Time never waited, but life changed the moment he did. And maybe that moment is now.